everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's an amazing Monday and I'm feeling excited to share with you all of the spices that I use in my Indian curry dishes. So let's begin with mustard seeds, number 1. This is mustard seeds. They have amazing health benefits like curing digestive disorders and preventing arthritis. Number 2 is coriander. And coriander is actually the dried form of cilantro. It helps to lower blood sugar and eases digestive discomfort. Number 3, my favorite, turmeric. So good for you. It's an anti-inflammatory superfood. It helps to improve your memory and ward off heart disease. So if you can get this in your dishes, eating it regularly, you are on the right track. And number 4 is red chili, and this is the spicy spice. Red chili is amazing for helping to create red blood cells. It also helps in reducing your blood pressure. And if you're feeling stuffy, go to the spicy spice because that's going to clear your nasal congestion. So these are the 4 spices that you'll be using, and the curries that we'll be making come from the northern side of India. And if you want to pick up a spice box, you can place all your spices in there. It's really easy to find. I always use my spice box, and it's an easy way to manage all your spices if you want to add on as well. All right, last secret ingredient over here, this little guy. This is known as jaggery. Kind of looks like a amber crystal. So basically what jaggery is it comes from palm tree sap or sugar cane juice. It's where we get sugar before they break it down and refine it. And actually this is a very healthy form of taking in sugar, as it's the superfood of sweeteners is what they call it. It's full of molasses, so it's full of iron, and they say it helps to detox. And there's just a wide array of health benefits, and I can include all the health benefits of each of these spices, including jaggery, in some links below this video. So if you have any questions on where to buy the spices, I'm going to include links to that as well. I either go to the Indian grocery store or I go on Amazon and buy straight from Indian manufacturers because they have the good stuff. They have good quality stuff, affordable, and you can buy a lot of it at once. All right. So thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to sharing lots and lots of recipes with you on cooking vegetarian Indian curry at home. Have a wonderful day. Much love. Mwah.